Happy Friday, everyone. Christine here from Unique Sapphire Fibre Studio. I'm glad you're here and your smiling faces. At least I'm hoping you're smiling while you're watching my videos. Man, this week has went fast. I don't know about you. It just seems like one day goes toot, 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 and it's Friday already. Wow. What did I accomplish for myself this week? How did I take care of myself this week? I don't know. Yes, I do know. I stitch and stitch and stitch and stitch. That's why I've had some comments in the past about, man, you knit fast. No, I don't knit fast. It is my way of relieving stress. How do you relieve your stress? I have a lot of friends that are dealing with stress, and it seems like at times it's so overwhelming for them. But I ask them, what are you doing for yourself? And how are you managing your stress? But they're afraid of taking time for themselves, thinking that that's selfless. But trying to tell them, if you're not 100%, how are you supposed to help deal with the people that are around you and need you if you don't take that time for yourself? And I find knitting and crocheting and creating videos and photography, I find that all stress relievers. So do I mind taking the time out for myself? No. Because I have my children calling me on the daily, asking me questions. They need, my advice. And if I'm not at 100%, how am I supposed to help them deal with what they're dealing with? Or if it's their work and, they have a complaint against them, like, they're young, I'm their parent, and they're looking for my advice, whether it's your friends, your parents, your grandparents, if you're taking care of someone else, it can get overwhelming. So don't be afraid to unleash your creativity to relieve your stress. It is part of self-care, and it should be done daily. Yes, daily. Because if not, that's why people get depression, anxiety overwhelms them, and headaches. We all wear our stresses differently, and sometimes people are often prone because depression or anxiety, runs in the family. And in today's day and age, with everything being so mainstream, it is imperative to take care of yourself. Who else better to take care of yourself than yourself? Whether it be through some creative avenue or go getting that massage. But I find creating with my hands and mind, whether it be in the dye pot, with my needles or hooks, or with my camera, a big stress reliever. And I'm back to 100%, so that when I get that phone call and I need to help either my child or grandchildren now, or answer just anything that comes my path, whether it's one of my friends, co-workers, anything, even my loved one. He comes home from a bad day, I have to be prepared to help him relieve that, or help him see where they're coming from and where he should be going. And same goes it with everyone. We live in a modern mainstream avenue, and everything's just coming at you. You've got all this stuff coming at you. How do you relieve your stress? You need to find that way. And only you can find the way that makes that stress lessen in the best way. Whether it's teaching someone how to be a little bit more outside thinking and create something completely out of this world. just that little bit of help, it goes a long way. So I hope everyone will have a great weekend creating and taking time from their busy, busy weekly lives to do something for themselves this weekend. And I normally don't plug anything on my channel. However, I'm going to plug my website. I am going to be putting up a few old school first batch dyed yarns that used to be very popular in this area and have old tags on them. And some of you may remember Tsunami. Renaissance is one of them. Bonfire, one of the originals that was on Etsy. Yes, way back on Etsy. So I'm going to be offering some yarns at ridiculously low prices so that you can get creative. And like I said, take time out daily. I'm not a fast knitter. I just take out time daily. And that's how I get things done. But that is one of my major stress relievers. And that gives me that woo-saw moment. So have a great weekend, everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Please like, subscribe as always. It helps. Comment in the comment section below if this is something that you love and want to know more about. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.